दुनिया का हर शौक पाला नहीं जाता, कांच के खिलौनों को उछाला नहीं जाता, मेहनत करने से हो जाती है हर मुश्किल आसान, क्योंकि हर काम तकदीर पर टाला नहीं जाता। नमस्कार, वेलकम टू हेडलाइंस ऑफ द डे। In this video, we are going to discuss important headlines of the Hindu, and our first important headline is India's DPI is catching the next wave. It is available on page number 6 and ये related paper to polity and governance से. In this article, we have to know about digital public infrastructure, what is the present status of India's digital public infrastructure, various initiatives in this context, challenges and what lies ahead. So friends, digital public infrastructure refers to digital solutions that enable basic functions essential for public and private service delivery. It can improve the lives of citizens around the world by enabling digital inclusion. Baki for the points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is Understanding the Russia-Belarus Nexus. It is available on page number 8 and here related a paper to international relations say. In this article, we have to know why is Russia planning to station tactical nuclear weapons in Belarus? Is Russia violating any international agreements by stationing such weapons in an ally country? How are the relations between Russia and Belarus? Will this escalate the Russia-Ukraine war? तो फ्रेंड्स ये सारे पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे लाइन बाय लाइन बहुत शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं, आप एक बार जरूर देख लीजिएगा। बाकी अभी न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि रिसेंटली रशियन प्रेसिडेंट अनाउंस्ड प्लान्स to station tactical nuclear weapons in neighboring Belarus, and Belarus' geostrategic position between Russia and Ukraine, between Russia and Poland makes it very important for Russia. Now, what is tactical nuclear weapons? So friends, it refers to small nuclear warheads and delivery systems meant for use on the battlefield or for limited strike. Baki for the points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is how to manage India's solar PV waste problem. It is available on page number 8 and here related to paper 3 environment section say. In this article we have to know what is photovoltaic waste, issues linked to it and how can the country improve PV waste management. So friends, India has world's 4th highest solar PV deployment and this leads to a colossal amount of solar PV waste, and India is also expected to become one of the top 5 leading photovoltaic waste producers worldwide, and this is the right time to install clear policy directives, well-established recycling strategies and greater collaboration. Baki for the points you can go through this article. Our next important headline is how caste discrimination permeates the language of meritocracy on campus. It is available on page number 9 and here related to paper 1 social issues say. In this article we have to know what are the causes of caste discrimination in India, nature of caste discrimination in higher education institutions, emerging issues, government's efforts and what more steps need to be taken in this context. तो फ्रेंड्स ये सारे पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे लाइन बाय लाइन बहुत शानदार तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं, आप एक बार जरूर देख लीजिएगा। Our next and last important headline is Army to get satellite will help provide mission critical data. It is available on page number 11 and here related to paper 3 defense section से. In this article we have to know about Project Akash Tir, GSAT-7B and Sarang. तो फ्रेंड्स recently Ministry of Defense has signed 3 contracts for procurement of automated air defense control and reporting system, Project Akash Tir for Army and Sarang electronic support measure system for the Navy and for an advanced communication satellite GSAT-7B for the Army. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks for listening. For regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.